At the Slash 4x4 out here, trying to get a pass in. Let's show that it's connected. It's connected. Go to the track, go to start. I'm on road to 150. Let's see if I can get a pass in real quick before anybody show up. I was having a little traffic out here. Hopefully I don't tear this car up. I think I got it straightened out. Let's see if I can get a pass in. I look clear behind me. That was a good pass. Now let's see if I can get it back. That was a good pass. It's my road to 150. Let's see what that did. That looked like a PB though. My PB right now is 137. But I look like I beat that. Whew, that was scary. All right, let's see what I got. Stop. Read 147. Whew, that was scary. 147. 3 more miles. 147. That's a new PB for this Slash for me. You know, I ain't got. Well, I guess we could check it out. Ain't really nothing inside. That is spectacular, but 147 is good. I like that pass. The car ran good. It's an 8S pass. Ain't really nothing special. I'm only running the little basher batteries. 1721. 8S. Just a little basher battery, so I got better batteries. I just want to make sure the car running good before I throw them in there. And big rock got caught in there. Another rock. I got 2 rocks caught in there. So, you know, XLX2, just normal basic stuff. But 147 is where I'm at. It's a new PB on this car. My road is to 150. Because the fastest Slash that I know about in California is 150. I think that's held by Mr. High Power. So I'm trying to make this Slash the fastest one in California. But 147, only 3,251 feet. This is a short block, so the other block I got is very much longer than this one. But it got way too much traffic, so that's the problem with the other block. This block I just had to deal with the short distance. But let's thank everybody for watching. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, I'm out. 147. Peace.